Hello friends, in the subject of business analytics, today we will discuss analytics in telecom industry. In the telecom industry, people and devices generate data 24/7 globally that we know. Whatever we are speaking with our friends, browsing a website, streaming a video, playing the latest game with friends, or making in-app purchases, user activity generates data about our need, preferences, spending, complaints, and so on. Traditionally, communication service providers have leverages this tsunami of data that they generate to make decisions in area of improving financial performance, increasing operational efficiency, or managing subscriber relationship. They have adopted advanced reporting and business intelligence BI tools to bring facts and trends to decision makers. The role of analytics in communication service providers CSP business can be summarized as A. Operational analytics. Under the category of operational analytics, first, network performance. Communication service providers need to understand the bottlenecks in the network performance and optimize network utilization. They can use analytics to model capacity plans needed to meet service levels. Second, service analytics. This domain deals with analysis of customer problems, speed of resolution, and identification of priority customers and ensures their satisfaction. Advanced analytics will deliver customer sentiment through social media analytics. Third, under operational analytics, regulatory analytics. Communication service providers collaborate with other carriers and patents to support roaming, sharing infrastructure, etc. They need to track regulatory compliance or order as per agreed contract norms and handle deviations through anomalies, means irregularities detection. Number 4, product analysis. It involves analysis of data to enhance revenue, launch promotions, create campaigns, create new segments, strategize pricing, and study churn. Second category is subscriber analytics. Under subscriber analytics, first, subscriber acquisition. Communication service providers study customer behavior to identify the most suitable channels and sales strategy for each product. Second, fraud detection. Analytics helps to detect billing and device theft, cloned SIMs, and related fraud, as well as misuse of credentials and identification. Third, churn analytics. This helps communication service providers to not only model the loyalty programs, but also predict churn and destination communication service providers. Here, customer churn refers to when a customer, it includes a player, subscriber, user, etc., ceases or stops his or her relationship with a company. Number 4, value segment prediction. Here, communication service providers will be able to enhance revenue by defining new subscriber base ahead of competition by matching their profitable offering to subscribers needing them. Last category is of financial analytics. First, infrastructure analytics. communication service providers study capex and optimize or improve investment in infrastructure and save money by considering utilization option. Now, what is capex? So, capital expenditure, full form of capex is capital expenditure, are funds used by a company to acquire, upgrade, and maintain physical assets like property, industrial building, or equipment. Capex is often used to undertake new projects or investment by the firm. Second, product portfolio analytics. This area provides information into profitable products and services and helps to exit from loss-making products. Third, channel analytics. It helps communication service providers to optimize the commercial terms with partners to optimize distributor margins. Next, number 4, cost reduction. In the last point of cost reduction, this area focuses on reducing service management cost, operation cost, compliance risk related costs, etc. So this is all about analytics in telecom industry. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more such updates regarding the videos on different subjects of management field.